In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to view algorithm on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app, then navigate to your profile page. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right. You'll be directed to settings page. Now scrolling down, you're going to find the option of content preferences. Tap on it and then select the option labeled your algorithm. Once you open this section, you'll be able to see what Instagram believes you are currently interested in based on your activity, such as the type of content you engage with the most. From here, you can customize your feed by choosing what you want to see more of or less of, helping Instagram better tailor content to your interest. This gives you more control over your experience and lets you adjust your algorithm exactly the way you want. In case you didn't find the option your algorithm, you can update your Instagram app. As this is the new feature, this is gradually being rolled out. Until then, you will need to wait. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.